my daman. I'll take you the destination. Okay. So, according to Baba said in different chapter, Guru is necessary, Guru is necessary. What is your answer? What Baba said in that context?
ఎక్కడ చదివానత్త గురువు till fourth plane వరకు one does not need guru to attain that this thing. కానీ final realization ki when he goes from the sixth to the seventh plane, final step to become one with God, then the necessity of guru is very important. Or else they will get lost. Fourth plane, no, they will get lost.
Yes. This is when one incident happened. Raghul Garu was very serious. That time they brought to Prabhakar Mai, Chantimai were doing the free service in the center. They brought him in serious condition. He started shouting in delirium, Baba, open the door, open the door, open the door. All the time it seems in the final stages. Okay. So Baba said, Guru is very important at the sixth plane to take him to the final realization. Fourth plane, they get the powers. When they misuse it now, they go to stone stage. So Guru is important to hold his hand and take him to the destination. That is the thing. Okay, Jai Baba. Good experience, Ravi. You have told the good experience yours. Getting belief in Baba. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba Amma. And Ravi, my great sharing. Sometimes experiences speak 1,000 words, compared to just sharing some knowledge as well. So I think that was very powerful, Ravi Mai. So that's great. Okay. Jai Baba. Let's move over to Manatta. Over to you, Manatta.
Jai Baba, everyone. Sidhu, the topic you picked is very nice topic. Sounds easy, simple, but that is a day-to-day, hourly, minutely, every second we need to practice, with our own individual personality, I guess. But bottom line is loving people around is loving God, right? So, especially you picked the topic on the most appropriate day, Valentine's Day, but actually it should be Valentine's Day every day. So, a good job, Sidhu.
Thanks, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba Atta. Krishna Kumar Atta is there? So she exited.
She's left at Rasindi Pavan. She left at that. Krishna
Okay. I was hoping to actually have Atta hear all of you and then she can give her comments. No problems. Then let's move over to Prasanna.
Yeah. Jai Baba. Well, Sidhu, it was a wonderful talk and narration of what Baba said. And love, the very philosophy of Baba, love, is what that has impressed me and made me accept Baba as God. And moreover, the first thing is regarding this love, I think it was Nana who first told me to read about how to love God. And then I remember Amma also had, on one occasion told me to read this. And above that, I remember Prabhakar Mai was going around with this pamphlet, How to Love God, giving each and every one of them. I still have it on my desk. But the best thing is, with my experiences and with my the philosophy of love about Baba, I started accepting him as God, right? And the thing is, whenever I had put this implied or applied it practically, the nice feel that I enjoy in my heart, is what keeps me going. And that's what I've been doing all these years, and I enjoy it. I think that's the best and simple way than reading all the books and everything. I'm just happy following that few principles of Baba. If not everything, as and when time comes, I don't seize the opportunity to enjoy that occasion and just say Baba, Jai Baba, thank Baba, and accept him as what he is. And that's what I think. That's it for my life. That's it. Then trying to discuss and read, conflict your own self, contradict your own self, contradict Baba, contradict this, that. I think I would like to be very simple and humbly follow Baba. Accept with his good thoughts. Just keep loving. That's it. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba Prasanna. Jai Baba.
Yeah.
Well said. Let's move to Praveen next.
Jai Baba Pawan. సిద్ధు బాగుంది సిద్ధు నీ స్పీచ్. బాగానే చదివావు, అక్క పంపించింది. క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, నువ్వు మామూలుగా చదువుతున్నప్పుడు ఐ వాస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ లిస్నింగ్ త్రూ ద స్పీచ్. ఇట్ వాజ్ నైస్. And somewhere in between, I kind of ask myself questions around, I wouldn't say guilt feel, but I think I would, kind of introspection and go. Questions, maybe some of you can answer these questions, is when Baba talks about talking about God is not very important. In some way, I'm paraphrasing it, but Sidhmiya, if you want to reread that sentence, that might be useful for everyone. But talking about God is not important, but actually putting it in practical, implementation is the most important. So when we speak about Baba, we talk about Baba, itlaga ni chestunappudu, I kind of question why do we have to do all this stuff? What is the importance of all this? Because over and over we don't have anything in practical. We talk. So I think that question, so that's basically a question I have in my mind when I listen through your speech here. But otherwise, a very good talk and. Bound, I think what Akka picked for you is very nice, very powerful message. It's a simple message. We all heard about it, but very important for all of us to kind of remember over and over again. Jai Baba.
Praveen, could you elaborate that or repeat/elaborate that question once more so that we can get some clarity and people can answer the question?
So basically, when I heard Sidhu read some couple of sentences, it kind of implied, or maybe my misinterpretation here, but Baba is more focused on, he says, practical. You have to work on spirituality as opposed to talk about spirituality. That's how I understand it. He keeps saying that multiple times. Whenever things like that come, then I keep questioning about why do we have to even meet and talk about Baba without much of a practical implications, right? So that's a question. That's basically the question. I don't know if it's clear enough, Pawan.
Yeah, I think now, at least for me, it's clear. I'll open it up. Sidhu, do you know what Praveen is talking about, and could you repeat that some sentence in your speech which refers to what Praveen is talking about? Are you able to point?
స్పీచ్ లో ఏమీ దాని గురించి లేదు పవన్. ప్రవీణ్, మనం ఏ డే టు డే లైఫ్ మీద ఎట్లాగా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తున్నాము అని అడుగుతున్నావు, అంతేనా ప్రవీణ్?
లేదు, నీ స్పీచ్ లో ఉంది.
Sidhu, నాకు కూడా గుర్తుంది. There is some mention, at least one mention, not many times, కానీ at least one mention ఉంది, గుర్తుంది నాకు.
ఏది హౌ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ ఇట్?
కాదు, it's not just about talking about the knowledge or intellectual thing. It's about practicing it, something to that effect, if I remember.
మళ్ళా చూసి చదువు.
అత్త మీరు చెప్పండి.
చెప్తా, చదువు ఒకసారి సెంటెన్స్ చదువు, అది నోట్స్ చదువు. వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడ స్టాప్ చేయమంటే అక్కడ స్టాప్ చేయి.
అదేంటి
చూడు
సార్ 2
సిద్ధు.
పేజీలు ఉన్నాయి.
ఈజ్ ఇట్ జంపింగ్ ఆన్ దేర్ ఓన్ సెల్ఫ్? ఆర్ యు ఆస్కింగ్ దట్?
జంపింగ్ అదే
అదా ప్రవీణ్? జంపింగ్ ఇప్పుడు
రీడ్ ఇట్ సిద్ధు, రీడ్ ఇట్ వన్స్
చదువు
సిద్ధు.
ఉండు, అది అక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాను, ఒక్క నిమిషం.
సిద్ధు ఫుల్ పేరా చదివే. హార్డ్లీ ఇట్ టుక్ 5-10 minutes, దట్స్ ఆల్.
అదే అత్త, అది చూస్తున్నాను. అది జంపింగ్ ఆన్ వన్ ఓన్ సెల్ఫ్ అని ఉంది కదా. లవ్ హ్యాస్ నో లిమిట్ బట్ ద మైండ్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ ద వే. The obstacles cannot be removed without my grace. It is impossible because mind has to annihilate itself. For example, if one were asked to jump over oneself, the most one could do would be to take a somersault. Yet it is impossible to jump over oneself. One may jump over others, but not over oneself. So one may want to realize Baba as he really is, but the obstacles remains. అదేనా
ప్రవీణ్?
కాదు కాదు
Is it
అదేనా?
అదేనా?
కాదు, అది కాదు.
Books and discourses will not bring about one so spiritual regeneration. Mind cannot be annihilated by mind. One can అదే చదివానేమో.
చదువు. కీప్ రీడింగ్.
Books and discourses will not bring about one so spiritual regeneration. Mind cannot be annihilated by mind, for one cannot jump over oneself. Only by loving me as I ought to be loved can the mind be destroyed. Anyone may have love for me, but not the love I want. In spite of all
Come on, read.
In spite of all explanations and reading of books, words remain mere words. They do not take any further than intellectual satisfaction. Only love for God works the miracle, because love is beyond mind and reason. Where then is the necessity to read? I authoritatively say, I am the ancient one. I have been saying this to the entire world. If you love me with all your hearts, you shall be free eternally.
ఇదే ప్రశ్న ప్రవీణ్.
ఇది
అదే, that's exactly.
ఏంటంటే ప్రవీణ్, ఓకే, ఐ విల్ కమ్ ఇన్ ద సీన్.
ఎస్ అమ్మా,
చెప్పండి.
ఇప్పుడు మనోనాష్ పీరియడ్ అయింది, గుర్తుంది కదా? మనోనాష్ పీరియడ్, న్యూ లైఫ్. అక్కడ మైండ్ షుడ్ బి ఎనిహిలేటెడ్. బాబా సేస్ యు కాంట్ జంప్ ఆన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అని ఎందుకు ఇచ్చారంటే, రిగ్మరోల్ అంటే ఊబిలాగా. గురూస్ హెల్ప్ యు నీడ్ ఇట్ దట్ టైమ్ టు ఎనిహిలేట్ అవర్ మైండ్ బై రిమెంబరింగ్ గాడ్. దట్ చేంజ్ మనకి విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ God, Guru or God, we can, that annihilation will happen. We need our Guru's hand in guidance. Anna chudu, nee meeda nu jump cheyalevu, you have to jump on somebody else. So on your own you can't go till 6th plane. Baba said you need guidance of a Guru. He takes the guidance. Blindfold చేసి తీసుకెళ్తానరే, దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్, దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ యాజ్ ఫార్ యాజ్ అండ్ ఐ అండర్స్టూడ్. జై బాబా. ఓకే ప్రవీణ్, యు ఆర్ క్లియర్ యువర్ డౌట్? మైండ్ ఎనిహిలేషన్ ఉండాలి.
Yeah, kind of కానీ అది it's just a question that I keep having all the time, so I'm kind of more looking for
ప్రవీణ్, కొద్దిగా కాఫీ తాగితే మైండ్ ఫ్రెష్ అవుతుంది.
కాదు, ఐ థింక్ Praveen's question, just to repeat and validate if it's right or wrong, because I know some version of this question comes almost every week. Some version of it, some flavor of it is, as we talk about this topic, is it like we come every Sunday, we talk to each other? Are we talking at an intellectual level when what Baba wants us to do is to execute, to put it into action? So even as an example, even the Sunday talks, is it worth it? Because I'm putting it bluntly, Praveen, I know you're not trying to be rude, but you're saying, is that what Baba wants us to do, rather
Yeah.
than the time spent in actually executing, for example, loving other people, etc. Is that
Yeah,
what you're saying?
exactly. That is very true, and there is no blunt way. But Baba garu em chepparante, you can't reach me with your intellect, right? And the discourses, the reading, the understanding, the discussion, the group is all about intellectual feeding, kada. So that is definitely one question I have. Is like Baba said, you don't go through the intellectual, but we are, and again, I have also heard Baba say that there is a group of people who get together and pray. I'm there. So that is what I'm kind of a little confused about, a little bit.
Okay.
Ravi,
Anybody?
when you are going out of station, you put GPS. What is that guiding? Kada? Okay.
Mm.
It gives you guidance on your or own, or on the way you stop somebody. It Vijayawada route it automatically it is giving the guidance. Okay, with practice, theory and practice and a chapter in the Baba discourses law. How much we are implementing in our day-to-day actions? That is too much of chanting, reading, that won't help. His love, he gives the inner guidance. He brings a lot of changes in our own personality. We will be surprised what we were 10 years back, 20 years back, what we are. By reading, we are learning. By contemplating again. Today's night we'll get those points in our contemplation. So and so spoke like this. Baba said like this. Idi. Avuna kada? ఇప్పుడు ఒక సినిమాకి వెళ్ళాక ఆఫ్టర్ యూ కమ్ బ్యాక్ యూ కీప్ రిమెంబరింగ్ బ్రహ్మానందం జోక్స్ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్ యూ డూ లాఫ్ లైక్ దట్ ఇఫ్ ఏ గుడ్ ఒక మంచి డిస్కోర్స్ విన్నాక విల్ థింక్ ఓ హీ సెడ్ లైక్ దిస్ బట్ రవిమై టోల్డ్ హిస్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ హీ సెడ్ హీ గాట్ ఎన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇన్ ద టోమ్ హీ విల్ బి నీకు అప్లై చేసుకుంటాం ఓ ఇస్ దట్ సో పవర్ఫుల్ అని మన కాంటంప్లేషన్ లో వస్తుంది. Okay, by doing that, by listening and reading, we try to implement in our day-to-day life. Not at least 1% will try, isn't it? That is what my understanding. Jai Baba.
Pawan,
Jai Baba Amma. Anybody else? Ravi Mai?
Pawan,
Yeah, go
can I
ahead.
come in?
Yes, Mike, go ahead.
Ravina, that was a great question. Are we wasting our time in using our intellect, right?
Wasting kadu, but definitely Baba is saying don't use your intellect, and we are reading a book and trying to understand why. What is that?
Okay.
Intellect వాడగానే ఈగో వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఈగో వస్తుంది ఇంటెలెక్ట్ వాడితే. With the heart means with love you are approaching God. Jai Baba.
No, there's totally controversial there. Intellect వాడితే where is the role of ego there?
Wait.
Okay,
Can I say that?
Ravi Mai,
Pawan.
first Ravi Mai.
Okay.
Complete, then we'll go
So
next.
the first point ఏంటంటే, before we started all these meetings, our knowledge about Baba was at one level. Okay. Now, since last July, we have been going through these talks, and now our understanding about spiritual knowledge is at a different level. Yes or no? Achappu.
No,
Yes.
I'm in the same level.
We gained
Spiritual
Praveen.
knowledge,
That's what I don't.
maybe that may be true for you.
No,
who is
that's
that
me. That's
Prasanna?
my
Yeah.
feeling.
That may be true for you, Prasanna. That's okay.
Yeah. For
But,
me,
other
it's
people
that. I'm not speaking for others.
That's right. That's fine. No problem. But for others, there is a lot of change, because we get to know, because they are working on reading discourses and presenting and reading. There is a change for others. Some people may not change. I agree with that. Yes or no? For some people, at least, there is a change, right?
I said not change in our personalities. We know what Baba said.
Knowledge.
Don't have time
Yes.
to read all
Knowledge,
this
no?
literature.
Yeah.
Knowledge.
So
That's
there
right,
is a
Mike. That's right.
So there is a change in the knowledge. Okay. Baba never said, don't use intellect. Baba never said that. Baba said, Praveen, you were right. Baba said, to understand God, you have to approach with love. Yes, that is very important.
Your heart.
But he never said, don't use intellect. Actually, there is one beautiful chapter in Discourses, the avenues of understanding. Okay? And I'm sure one of us will present that. If nobody wants to present, I will present that in the future. What that says is, Baba says, you have to use intellect. You have to. And all our Hindu scriptures, they say that you have to use intellect. Without using intellect, you will not get anywhere. But you have to, how you use the intellect, that is the challenge for us. You have to give love to priority and use intellects as a tool. Because I consciousness use only intellect. Once we learn something, even at your work, when you use something, you use intellect. Without using intellect, only thing is, what Baba said was, on all the scriptures, the emotional part of the mind, be positive in using your emotions. There are negative emotions and positive emotions. Love is a positive emotion. That's what we are using to love Baba. Okay? But intellect, it is very important. Without intellect, we cannot understand knowledge. And once you reach God realization, what you will be knowing is complete knowledge. How do you get knowledge there? Only by using intellect. So don't think that Baba never said don't use intellect. Baba always said use intellect. But how you use it, with what proportion you use it. At the same time, we have to use with love. That is the thing. Using intellect with love and without love, there's a big difference. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba Mai. Anybody else with comments? I'm also I'm having my eye on the time. Gautam, when your turn comes, you can respond to Praveen and also give your thoughts. Okay, if you don't mind. Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. That's
okay. Then let's move to Naveen next. Naveen.
Hey, Jai Baba, everybody. Sidhu, బాగా చెప్పారు అంటే గుడ్ లవ్ అనేది ఇట్స్ నాట్ దట్ ఈజీ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్స్ అన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ బట్ రవణ అందరూ చెప్పింది ఒకటి ఐ థింక్ ద మెయిన్ పాయింట్ హియర్ ఈస్ లవ్ ఇస్ అ జర్నీ అండ్ యాజ్ యూ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ డే టు డే లైఫ్ యూ కనెక్ట్ దట్ టు గాడ్స్ లవ్ same thing, one simple experience for me. ఈ డిస్కోర్సెస్ లో వాటిలో పుస్తకాల్లో రాయటం ఒకటి, దాన్ని రియల్ లైఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అవడం ఒకటి. నా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, వన్ సింపుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఐ యూస్ టు సే ఇస్ నేను వాకాడ్లో చదివేటప్పుడు ఐ యూస్ టు అమ్మ వాళ్ళంతా గోవింద గోవింద అనేవాళ్ళు, అత్తమ్మాయి మెహర్ బాబా అనేవాళ్ళు. సో డిఫరెంట్ different people are saying, oh, different gods, right? It's a small age, I can't connect. Hey, why Meher Baba, why Govinda? The confusion lo one day when I was Wakad lo exams jarugutunnayi, oka exam koncham kashtam undedappudu there's only one temple there, which is a Shirdi Sai Baba, Satya Sai Baba temple. Everybody used to go there. I also part of that. Velli eppudu Sai Baba ni chusi, I used to see Sai Baba and used to say Govinda. Govinda, just make sure that this hurdle of my exam should go easily. I came back and then time passed. But if I look back, our journey lo, whether it's Sai Baba or Govinda or Meher Baba, what I feel is I can easily connect to God by saying that by experience. Oh, okay, so Parikshya pass ayipayanu, oka Devudu oka super power vachi dannu help chesindi ani oka mind lo undipoyindi. Whether I love God by name or by in general one God. So, Kani, but one biggest answer question that was answered is Nana. One they said, "Hey, Devudu అనేవాడు ఒక్కడు అని నాన్న ఎప్పుడు చెప్పలేదు కానీ he used to imply there's a super power, but ఆ super power ని ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేయాలంటే only way you can experience is ఏదో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేసి ఏదో you can do a lot of things to accomplish that love towards God, but it's your simple, small experiences in your journey of life. That's your experience of love towards God. So that's my 2 cents of love towards any God, or like unconditional love. But it's a journey. I wouldn't say, okay, this journey is going to end in this present life, but it's ongoing forever. But I will stop there. But it's a good discourse. But again, as Ravana said, his experience, small experiences in his life that actually enhances your love towards God. I think that's I will stop there. It's a journey and a different experience for every individual. That's all I have. Jai Baba.
Very good, Naveen. Excellent. Jai Baba.
Thanks,
Very.
Atta.
Yeah. Well spoken. Well said,
ఎక్సలెంట్
Naveen.
ఏంటి
Jai Baba.
అసలు నవీన్ కూడా గురువు అక్కర్లేదు అని అంటున్నాడు.
లేదు, one
ఎవరు
power.
అన్నలాగా.
He's attributing that superpower. Only one
Super
God. We have
అంటే
super.
అంటే
Only
Sidhu,
one power.
I think yeah. So basically, ఇప్పుడు if you look at Nana, ఇప్పుడు Nana తీసుకున్నాం. So basically, he always used to say he never believed in God actually, but he always believed in a superpower. That we call that as different God names.
We are saying then a God. He's saying
So he's not saying Govinda, Meher Baba, or Sai Baba. He's saying that superpower. That's an experience.
his
Hey,
own
Minana
journey.
is always interested intellectually to try to understand God. He's always Meher Baba discourses చదివాడు, God speaks చదివాడు. I even remember he brought Vedas from the library, tried to attempted to read it. So he was always approaching intellectually.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Okay, Kani. Let's. Okay.
వెంకటేశ్వర సాయిబాబా అన్న, గోవింద అన్న, మెహర్ బాబా అన్న, వీళ్ళందరూ అసలు మెయిన్ నాట్ అవుట్ సైడ్, విత్ ఇన్ యూ ఆర్ ది గాడ్. గాడ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్సైడ్ యూ. గాడ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అవుట్ సైడ్. సెల్ఫ్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీబడి. ఓన్లీ మైండ్ ఈజ్ ది అబ్స్ట్రక్టింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. So we must not go outside, but inside. We must search for God inside our heart, not physical heart.
Correct.
We must experience the God within us. Real I is God. Mental I another, there is a difference. I అన్నది నేను ప్రభాకర్నే, నేను డాక్టర్నే, నేను ఇది అది అనుకుంటున్నాను. బట్ దట్ ఈస్ మైండ్. బట్ రియల్ ఐ అన్నది గాడ్. సో యూ మస్ట్ రియలైజ్ యువర్ ఓన్ సెల్ఫ్. బాబా సార్
Okay, Jai Baba, Mai. Well spoken, Navino. Very well spoken, actually. Let's move over to Gautami. Sorry, Gautami, I cut you that time. If you want to respond to Praveen, go ahead and then give your views as well. Jai Baba.
Yeah, actually, I was responding to intellect and ego, but
Go ahead.
Ravichandran. Ravichandran.
Go ahead, Gautami.
He has explained it well. So I think I don't have any doubts or anything like that, but that's fine. Okay, anything other, I'll contribute later.
Are you sure you don't have any comments? Kelku comments also. CKO. Okay.
కాదురా, నువ్వు అక్నాలెడ్జ్ చేస్తావా సుప్రీం పవర్ ని చేయవా?
No. There is only one power. God is only one power.
అన్న సుప్రీం పవర్ ని అక్నాలెడ్జ్ చేస్తాడా చేయడా నవీన్ లాగా అని అడుగుతున్నా.
He has to acknowledge, Nana. So you don't, same pedestal, you don't put yourself and God.
Sidhu, wait, let the moderator come in. Hey, Sidhu.
Okay, sure.
Sidhu, because
Let Akka-
Gautami
let
is not
Gautam say.
Kelkadam ledante, Sidhu is taking up Gautami's role today. Sidhu,
Okay.
no, that's not the right thing.
కాదు నేను అడుగుతున్నా కాదు లాస్ట్ టైం అన్న ఏమన్నాడు మన ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ మనని డ్రైవ్ చేస్తాయి అని అన్నాడు అవునా ఇవాళ నవీన్ అదే అన్నాడు ఇంచుమించు సో నేను
Power
ఇద్దరు
is
Naveen did not say that. Naveen spoke about it being as a journey, spoke about it as being simple things that we do incrementally on a regular basis, and it's an ongoing journey. That's what Naveen mentioned. He didn't mention anything different from that. Okay, let me be the moderator right now, and we'll have a free talk after in some time. Gautami, nothing else to share at this point?
Nothing else. I'm fine.